To remember can, one effective technique is called Shaktiman. This technique allows us to recall and affirm our capabilities. For instance, when faced with a challenge, we can simply say, "Yes, I can." By using this powerful affirmation, we reinforce our belief in ourselves and our ability to overcome obstacles. So whenever doubt creeps in, let Shaktiman guide us and remind us that we are capable of anything. We set our minds to, yes, we can. Can.
Yes, I can. Can is used to talk about abilities or capabilities or to express abilities.
For example, can you? Yes, I can. No, I can't. More examples. Can you do this? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. No, I can't speak English. Can you play chess? Yes, I can play chess. No, I can't play chess. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can ride a bike. No, I can't ride a bike. Can you make biryani? Yes, I can make biryani. No, I can't make biryani. Can you drive a car? Yes, I can drive a car. No, I can't drive a car. Can you believe me? Yes, I can believe you. No, I can't believe you. Can he reveal that secret? Yes, he can reveal that secret. No, he can't reveal that secret. Can she pacify him? Yes, she can pacify him. No, she can't pacify him. Can she program a website from scratch? Yes, she can program a website from scratch. No, she can't program a website from scratch. Can he lift the weight that is twice his body weight? Yes, he can lift the weight that is twice his body weight. No, he can't lift the weight that is twice his body weight. Can they play the guitar while singing? Yes, they can play the guitar while singing. No, they can't play the guitar while singing. Can she create a beautiful flower arrangement? Yes, she can create a beautiful flower arrangement. No, she can't create a beautiful flower arrangement. Can Max solve a challenging crossword puzzle? Yes, Max can solve a challenging crossword puzzle. No, Max can't solve a challenging crossword puzzle. More examples. Can your friend drive vehicle? Can your sister reach here? Can he drive a car? Can she reach here today? Can Max develop an app? Max can design this room. She can head this project. We can finish this work tomorrow. She can repair this laptop. I can't stay here. He can't write exams. She can't finish this work. They can't enter here. They can't ignore you.
ഇതുവരെ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചത് ശക്തിമാൻ ടെക്നിക്കാണല്ലോ അല്ലേ? ഇനി 8 ഹെഡ്സ് ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ട് എങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് ശക്തിമാൻ ടെക്നിക്ക് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യാന്നുള്ളത് ഈ ഒരു സോങ്ങിലൂടെയാണ് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണിച്ചു തരാൻ പോകുന്നത്. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗെറ്റ് റെഡി ഫോർ ദാറ്റ്.
Can I go there? Can you go there? Can we go there? Can they go there? Oh, can he go there? Can she go there? Can it go there? Can Max go there? Oh, I can go there. Oh, you can go there. Oh, they can go there. Oh, we can go there. He can go there. She can go there. It can go there. Max can go there. I can go there. You can go there. They can go there. We can go there. He can go there. She can go there. It can go there. Max can't go there.
Another use of can, extra learning. Can is used to ask permission, informal way of asking permission. Examples. Can I come in? Can I pour some water into the curry? Can I take this pen? Can I write on this board? Can I use this camera? Can I stir this gravy? Can I tear that paper? Can I sit here? Can I switch on the light? Can I discuss football? Can you do a one-handed push-up? Can you swim across a large lake? Can they do this work? Can I chop this onion? Can I sip some water? Can I borrow your pen, please? Can I have a piece of cake? Can I get a piece of cake? Can I have your watch, please? Can I have 1 minute, please? Can I have change for 1,000 rupees? Can I go to the party tonight? Can I take a day off from work? We can answer this way. Yes, you can. No, you can't. Yes, of course. Yes, sure. If someone asks you, can you? Remember, the simple answer is either yes, I can or no, I can't.